Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change the notification sound for your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Google Chat, and after opening the Google Chat, go over these three bars into the top left corner. And after going into there, you will get this setting option directly. Tap to settings, and after going into settings, under the notifications you will get the option of notification sound. Tap to notification sound, and you will get this sound at app provided sound option. Tap into that option, and then it will lead you to your settings. Now you can select all of the available sound from this section and choose the suitable notification sound for yourself and save it as notification sound of your Google Chat, and tap to done button, and your notification sound for Google Chat will successfully be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.